Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Today I am cooking Chinese dish. It's called Chowmein. Hope you will like this recipe. Let me know your feedback. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I have ingredients with me, so you can note down. I have one big bowl of spaghettis which I have already boiled. We will need one small onion I have already chopped. We need 1 cup of capsicum. I have 1 cup chopped cabbage. I have 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. I have 2 eggs which I have already scrambled with salt and pepper. I will use 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We will need 2 spoons of soya sauce and 1 spoon of vinegar. So let's start the recipe. I will add 1 spoon of oil. I will fry the onion. Onion is soft. We will add all the vegetables. I will add cabbage, green capsicum, I will cook for 3 to 4 minutes until this veggies will be soft. Let's see. All veggies are soft now. I will add boiled shredded chicken, 1 cup. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. We'll add pinch of salt. I will add 2 spoons of soya sauce. And 1 spoon of vinegar. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see. Now it's the time to add spaghettis. I have 1 big bowl of spaghettis boiled. Let's mix it. Egg which I have already prepared with salt and black pepper. Let it cook only for 2 to 3 minutes and then our chow mein will be ready. Chow mein is ready now to serve. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Yummy, yummy noodles. Noodles. Yummy spaghettis.